Hello everyone, and welcome to another art tutorial with Adobe Creatives. In this video, we're going to use Adobe Illustrator to show how to draw a four-leaf clover. First, we will create the outline of a single leaf by using the pen tool. To create the curve, click on the start point with your pen tool. For the end point, instead of just clicking, click and drag. This will allow you to create a curve. Now, let go of your mouse. You will notice that the next point on your path will also be curved. You can use your anchor point tool to adjust the leaf where necessary. Now, we will add the midrib of the leaf. To do this, I will use my pen tool to draw a curve. After this, I will change the stroke profile of the curve. On the screen is the profile I have chosen. After this, I will change the color to match the green color of a four-leaf clover. Remember to adjust your border thickness as necessary. Now that we have one leaf, we can duplicate it 3 more times. Adjust positions as necessary to form the clover. Here, I am adjusting my midrib to slightly improve the curve. Next, I will add some shadows to each leaf. Pay attention to how I handle this. I will show instructions for one leaf. First thing to do is take your pen tool and draw a curve along the leaf. Then we can extend this curve outside the leaf. I know it looks weird, but we will be fixing that. To fix this, select your leaf in your weird outline and use the Pathfinder tool's intersect shape mode. This will give us just the region for the shadow. Now, we will copy this region as we will need it for later. Next, undo all the steps until we are back to our original leaf. Now, we paste the copied region on. Next, we will give it a darker shade of green than our leaf. Next, we will remove the borders. You should notice how we now have a shadow. You can watch our video on creating shadows and highlights to better understand. Link in description. We will do the same thing for our other leaves. Now, let us work on our leaf stalk. To start, draw out your stalk using the pen tool. We'll adjust the border thickness. Next, we will place our stalk behind the leaves. Next, we change the stalk color to brown. Here, I am doing some minor adjustments. Now, we want to thicken the outline border on the entire image. Our 2-minute video titled, How to Outline Compound Shapes in Adobe Illustrator, shows the full process of how I went through this step of outlining my four-leaf clover. I have added the link for that video in the description. We have now illustrated how to draw a four-leaf clover. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to experiment with different tools and shapes to see what effects you can create. Please like this video and subscribe to Adobe Creatives for more art content.